Namaskar Google Ad fans. In this video, we are going to understand what is exactly Google Ads and why you should choose Google Ads. Google Ads is a platform which helps in getting in front of customers when they are searching for business like yours on Google Search, Maps, other Google products, and Google partner sites. And most interestingly, only you should be paying for the results like clicks to your website or someone calls to your business. Isn't it great? Yeah. And why we should be choosing Google Ads? Google is a place where people search for what to do, where to go, and what to buy. Your ad can appear in the Google at the very moment someone is clicking for the product or services like yours. So, whether they are on any devices such as a desktop, mobile, a well-timed ad can turn people into valuable customers. You need more reason for choosing Google Ads? I can show you more reasons. Say, if your business goals is to drive website visitors, say grow online sales, booking, say mailing list signups and online ads that will direct people to your website and increase your website traffic, it's important. If second goal that if you are expecting calls from your prospects, you will be getting more phone calls from your advertisement, say increasing customers calls with ad that feature your mobile number and click to call button, right? Or your business goal might be to increase the shop visits by getting more customers in the door with business ads that help people find your company on the map. Isn't it great? So let us start practically to execute Google Ads. Stay tuned, we'll catch you in a moment.